today I am discuss about Numpy, feature of Numpy and basic Numpy and we installing library. But if you install Anaconda, you do not need to download any library as libraries such as Pandas, Numpy, Matplot and Seaboard. How to import library? How to import library? To import library, we can use to import library. We import. We can use the keyword use short form our library just like as for example import by as np. You this is called you call our library Numpy. Basically, Numpy is a numerical Python. It provides data structure called Numpy array, which is grid of value. It is also provide a collection of high-level mathematical function, which can be multi-dimensional Numpy array. Numpy stands for numeric Python. Numerical Python. That's all. And numerical Python. Basically, you understand what are the Numpy array. It is a game of array. Numpy is basically game of array. What is Numpy arrays? Numpy arrays. Numpy array is multi-dimensional. In a multi-dimensional data structure designed to handle large data set. Creating Numpy array. One second, I am clicking a big font. You will see clearly. We are creating Numpy array. We are just import our library and create our. We can create Numpy array using the array function in Numpy library. Just create a variable. We have 3-dimensional array in Numpy, 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. 1D array equal to np dot array. You pass argument and just print 1D print 1D array. Just that is the output 1D array. We how to check the array is one dimensional or two dimensional, three dimensional. That we print 1D array dot ndim NDIM and just run, and just there is watch one. It's mean that this is one dimensional. We can create 2D array. It is just simple, but his outermost is one dimensional, and 1D outermost was 0D. Is mean that it is a scalar. Just initialize 2D array equal to 20. 34. 5, 6, 7, 8. I am missing something. I am okay. No. I am missing something. One bracket was missing. Some. Okay then. Print 3D array. That is a three-dimensional array. You can also check print 3D array dot ndim. You can run. That was a that is three-dimensional. Indexing of we can alter indexing in Numpy. Indexing in Numpy is just similar to the indexing in Python list. It is a simple. Just I am example of just f array. Just a click a variable f array equals to np dot array 14589 print f array. We can just print 5. What was our logic? Just simple. F array bracket index 2 0 1 2 5 cluster indexing 2 and just run. Just run. 5 was a print. Okay, and can comment out this line. 5 will be print. This is a normal. This is a one day array, and we can also indexing in 2D. But 2D was 2D NumPy array provide two value inside a square bracket. First value of index of inner array, second value of index of element inside the inner array. Just a minute. We create um, I am just written a program, and you understand. Just to create a create a variable name 2 and p dot array 1 1 2 3 4 5 4 6 7 हो गया something. It is not big deal. Print 2. Just we can print the 4. How to print? Just first is inner index of inner array. We print 1 because we print 4 1, and 4 is indexing of 0. So we can put 0 and just run. Our output will be 4. First one that one is index of inner array, and that is index of inner array element inside the element. It is a basic feature.